Hey everybody, and welcome back to the tutorial. Today we're just going to be joining a couple of strings together, something very simple that anybody can do. Okay, so let's start off. I'm going to create a variable here called say hello. Say hello is equal to howdy, as they say in Texas. Howdy. Okay, name is going to be equal to Paul, so another variable, name Paul. Yeah, and question at the end of this string, because we're going to we're going to join all these strings together. So the question at the end of this string is going to be what's happening. What's happening? Let's have a look. There we go. What's happening? Okay, so first of all, we're going to create another variable called greeting, and we're going to say greeting is equal to say hello, that string up there. So say hello variable contains howdy, and we're going to join it together using the plus operator and give it a little bit of a space here. And we're going to put the next one, name, which contains Paul, and we're going to join that together again. A little bit of a space there, and join that together. Name equals Paul, and then finally we're going to do the question here. Okay, right, we want to print out all that information, so we use the print command and the variable that we've created here, greeting. Okay, now all we have to do is save that, and now we're going to run the program. There we go. Howdy Paul, what's happening? Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you enjoyed that, remember to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.